shooting.
See his paddle
A couple of
shifter?
students who said they just heard what sounded like a fire drill going off. They heard folks from the schools.
Little devil horns going on back there.
Ooh, almost tagged those
It's not
bears.
bad. It's like a sophisticated, like, quick car, but still, it's slower than a G37, so they're still behind.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
But they're fast. That's fast. This is the same engine the truck has.
Well, this has 300 horsepower.
No, it's got 345.
The G37 has, previous model had 330, now the new model has 400.
Ooh,
Right.
I like. I wonder what this thing would do for a launch.
Not here.
That sucked.
Yeah.
It's up there, I forgot. Oh, I can't fit it.
You can fit. You can fit.
That's not Expedition right there.
All the way.
Oh.
Go back and readjust the parking.
Gonna do a reverse 180?
Probably end up hitting that truck right next to you. Just they're washing all that right now. You just go in there and just do a fucking wet burnout.
An all-wheel drive donut.